We ready? Question 45. My waist size has reduced by 20%. No, it doesn't. Getting bigger. It was 95 centimetres. What is it now? Now, the killer word, or the word that we have here is it was. That is helpful. If it was, it is 95%. That would need a little bit of doing things differently. But no, it's okay. So it was, I'm going to write was there, 95 centimetres. So I say percent. And it is reduced. Reduced means absolutely get smaller by 20%. A couple of ways we can do this. We could find 10%. So 10% equals, just divide it by 10, don't you? So that's 9.5 centimetres. And therefore 20% is double that, which would be 9 and 9 is 18, plus, why am I doing this? I would tell you to write it out, wouldn't I? I think it's 19. 10, carry the 1. 10, 9 is 19. So, so it is 19. 19.0. So 20% equals 19 centimetres. Try and keep your units going, otherwise it gets a bit confusing, especially when the numbers are very close. So therefore it was 95 centimetres. It reduced, it got smaller by, we now know, 19 centimetres. 76. 8, carry the 1. 15, take away 9 is 6. 8, take away 1 is 7. Good. 76 centimetres. So that's method A, which is fine. I mean, they're all sort of variations of the same thing, to be honest. And we'll do it in a different colour blue. I'll show you another way here. You could say that 20% equals a fifth. 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. So that's 5 fingers. So each one of these is 20%. So 20% equals a fifth. And so therefore we take our 95 and we divide it by 5 if we want to find a fifth. I don't like the size of this pen. Do you mind if I sharpen up a moment? There we are. So 5 goes into 9 once, remainder 4. And 5 goes into 45, 9. So we now know that it's got smaller by 19 centimetres. There's our 19 centimetres. And we still need to do the taking away, which is exactly as we had it here. Once again, use one method to work it out, use the other method to check it, but be comfortable with both ways of doing it, because sometimes the numbers will just feel better one way, other times they'll feel better another way. There isn't a right or a wrong.